We're gonna go have a look at a car. We could get it. We might get it. It's a silver Fiat 500. I'm so excited. See if it is good enough. I'm so excited. Okay, so my family are at the car at the moment, but I don't feel very well. I've got really bad, like really bad stomach cramps. So I've came and sat back in the van whilst they're looking at the car. And my parents have gone and given it a test drive. Yeah, they're gonna put a deposit down on it, but they want them to fix the suspension in the MOT that it's gonna get, because the suspension's bad. But as long as that gets fixed, we're gonna buy it. I'm buying a car today. It's a dream come true. I've saved up my money, my own money, for years to get a car, so I'm so excited. Yeah, I'm getting a Fiat 500, but it's like 2010, I think, because obviously it's the first car, it doesn't need to be anything crazy, but I'm so excited. I just need to brush my teeth and then we're going. This is what I'm wearing. We're gonna get an Uber there and then I'm gonna drive us back. We're also gonna stop off at Asda and Tesco. We've broke down. I've had the car 2 hours and it's broken down. The gearbox is gone. So we're waiting to be towed now.
It looks like I've been driving.
No, I've been driving. Josh can't drive. But so my mum's gonna come pick me up and tow me. Yeah, and then tomorrow the car company are going to come and pick up my car and fix it. I just fell in love with the car. I can't have it go. It's like a breakup. Okay, I got all the stuff for my boo basket. I got a blanket. And then I got 2 of these pumpkins. I got this pumpkin mug. I couldn't find any Halloween type pajamas, so I had to get these. But they're still cute, I really like them, and they're for a woman's breast cancer awareness charity. And then I got some chocolates and sweets. I got this mushroom from B&M, and I knew this candle's blue, but it was the only nice smelling candle I could find. I got this and they kind of match. This pumpkin, and then this like headband scrunchie. Hey guys, it is the 1st of October. Yup, it's the 1st. which is so exciting. I'm so ready for this fall season to come. So it's the 1st of October today. I'm not really doing much today. I have a driving lesson in not long, in like 30 minutes. So I'm gonna go to that. And then other than that, I haven't really got much on today. I was meant to be doing study work, but I had other things to deal with that I'm gonna have to deal with later as well. I got a car recently. It fucking broke down within 2 hours of having it. So that's in the garage at the minute, and tonight we're having Domino's because because I got a car. On the day I got it, I was meant to have Domino's because like a celebration of getting a new car, but then it broke down and I just was like no. And then my parents like, do you want to have it Saturday? I was like no, because we have a party. Well, I couldn't have it Saturday because I had a party. And then Sunday, I didn't want to have it because I had my driving lesson. And because Domino's makes me feel a bit icky the next day. And I have my driving lesson on the Tuesday. I wanted to feel well. So I was like, I'll have it off my driving lesson. But yeah, so that's a bit annoying, but it's fine, it's fine. It's getting fixed. The company that I bought it off is fixing it and stuff. But yeah. Not much else to add. Yeah, I'm so excited. I'm so excited for October. So let's have fun. Let's have fun this October. I got my car back. Okay, because my car's back, we're gonna go out on a little drive. So yeah, come with us. I'll get Josh to film me a little bit.
Should you find a private spot where I can drive?
I don't know whether I'm ready for that. I'm so excited.
Right.
oiling my hair, so that's why I look like this. And it's also really cold, so that's why I put this on. And I have eye bags for days, and half of my mascara is gone because I slept with mascara on, and I haven't had a chance to do anything yet. I need to have a shower, but because I'm oiling my hair, I can't shower yet, and I don't want to wash my face yet because I'm lazy. But yeah, so today we're going out for some dinner and a kind of party, because my family friends are coming over, have come over from a different country, so we're gonna see one of them because it's their birthday, and then all the family friends are together, so that'll be fun. That exhausted me, like genuinely exhausted me. I actually can't come up with any other food to eat that will help with my parts other than tuna salad, chicken salad, but I don't have any chicken, and what was the other one? Bacon and egg, or like gammon and bacon, but I can't have that for lunch. So it's been a bit of a struggle. I just don't know what to eat. I need to tidy my room. I think I'll do that tomorrow. I'm also going to keep my hair curly today. So, oh my god, focus. I'm gonna keep my hair curly today when I wash it. So if I remember, which I hope I do, I'll remember to video how I do my hair when it's curly. So yeah, I'm gonna watch some YouTube and devour my food. Okay, I just got out of the shower. I hate doing my fucking so cold. Ignore how horrible I look right now. Oh my god, I'm so cold. I'm gonna show you what I do for my curly hair, kind of. I don't want the curly police on me, okay? My hair is curly. It's been curly my whole life. It's been frizzy my whole life. It's a pain in my ass, okay? You coming after me and saying, no, it's just wavy. No, it's not. I know it's not because I've had it my whole life on my head. And I know it's not because it's a burden in my existence. I wish I had straight hair. I wish I had wavy hair that was more manageable than this shit. Okay, so I'm just gonna brush my hair to begin with. Is I'm gonna split it off, and I hate doing a parting in wet hair. Decent. Okay, right. So now we've got two halves. It's already been 5 minutes and all I did was brush my hair out. I use curl activator cream, a hair mask. I usually use something else, but I don't remember what. I don't know. I don't remember. Okay. I'm gonna put half my hair up because it's dripping on me. I'm limited on claw clips, so it's gonna have to be this. Guys, I'm not a professional at this, okay? I'm just gonna go with the flow. This is my microfiber towel. Next, so I've done that, I'm gonna section it off little by little. Pull this up. And I'm just gonna show you what I do, and then I'm gonna skip to me being done because I don't think you want to watch me do all of this. It's so long. I'll tell you how long it is in a bit. Okay, first I'm using this at the minute. I don't know whether it's doing anything. My fingers are pruny, but that's what I'm using at the minute. I don't know whether it's even good, but it smells nice. And then I'm just gonna scrape that through the ends like this, and then put it to the side. And then I'm going to section it off. Get one chunk. Put it up. Guys, I'm having an off day. I'm always having an off day though. Anyway, my hands are slippery now. Put this up here. Ow! Ow! On my knees. Put it up there. I'm gonna take this. Use my curly cream. And you just want a little bit. Even that's probably a bit too much. Oh. You're just gonna drag that through, and then I do like a little curl there at the bottom, and then I come up. And then I come down like that. So we're just gonna do that a million times. And then diffuse. I'll be back when I diffuse. Okay, I finally did all my hair. It took me about 40 minutes, maybe a bit longer. I'm so tired from it, but this is all of them done. I'm now gonna diffuse it. This side has already like started to dry, but this side hasn't, because I just did this side. So I'm gonna diffuse it, and yeah, and then I'm gonna do my makeup in a minute as well afterwards, so bear with. I'm so tired. That actually took so long. I need moisturizer on my face because it keeps getting wet from my hair. Okay, I'm gonna diffuse that. I'll come back when it's all diffused. Okay, it's all kind of diffused now. It's a little bit damp still on the head, but there's nothing much you can do about that. I'm gonna put some oil. Sorry, I'm gonna put some oil through my hair now. Now onto doing my makeup. Now I look like a toddler. I couldn't finish my makeup on camera, but this is how it turned out, because my brother came in my room and was asking about what we're doing and stuff. So this is what I look like. I'm now choosing an outfit. I think I actually found it, because there's a top that I've been wanting to wear so bad, but I've not had a chance to wear it. So okay, let me show you what I'm thinking. I'm thinking these jeans from Bershka, they're like flares. They are skinny at the top, but and then I was thinking this top, because I really want to wear it, but I haven't had a chance to wear it yet. It's like see-through at the bottom. It's see-through and then the top's actually yellow. I was thinking that and the jeans. What do you guys think? Also, how does the back of my hair look? Probably bad. Let's try that on. Let's try that on and see how I feel. Okay, what do we think? I'm gonna put a strap, like a backless bra on. Got this, and the flat. What do we think? Is it cute? Is it not? I don't know. Is it cute, guys? I don't know. Josh, is this cute?
That's adorable. I love it.
Yeah.
It looks. Oh, and it matches your hair perfectly. I love it.
Okay. I haven't even looked at myself in a full length mirror, but I probably should have. I'm gonna go look at myself and see if it looks good or not. Okay, I'm definitely going with this outfit because it's no, we can't have that. Because it's just a simple dinner birthday thing, and I can be asked to dress up. This is my type of dressing up. I dressed up last weekend. I'm not doing it the second weekend in a row. I'm gonna go get a jacket that I was thinking of wearing because I'm cold, and I'm gonna show you what I was actually thinking of wearing as my jacket. So I'll be back. I'm back. Oh, can't breathe. This is the jacket I was thinking of wearing. I absolutely adore this jacket. I think it looks amazing. The only thing is, I have a bit of a trauma issue with it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it?
No.
Oh.
It's London.
You wore that to London?
I wore it to the Arctic Monkeys concert.
Oh.
Oh. In London, I wore this outfit. I wore this coat, and I didn't have a good experience. I'm a emetophobic, whatever, to my core, like so bad, extremely bad. Have been since I was like 4, since I got salmonella poisoning, and ever since then. And I've not.
You can hear the heavy breathing now.
Yeah, and I've not been sick. Well, till London, I wasn't sick until for 12 years, maybe longer. And then on my way back from an Arctic Monkeys concert, it just had to be. And I was wearing this coat, so I have a bit of a problem with it. So today we're going to do some exposure therapy and just wear it and realise, no, I can't, it's not a bad look thing, it's a good look thing. And I'm never going to be sick again. Touch wood. So I'll show you what it looks like on. I actually got this off of my nan's partner, and he just gave it me. But it's so cute. Like perfect. Yeah, perfect for like autumn. Like it's just like the best leather bomber jacket. I have no idea where it's even from. It just is called Genuine Leather. That's it. That's basically it. This is my outfit. Then we're gonna go out. I might take a couple photos out. But yeah. See you when I next see you. Hello. Today I am studying. I have college today, so I haven't been studying. Later on, my friend is coming over, so I'll see him for a bit. That's about all today. Yeah. And I want to start watching Halloween movies, so I want to watch. What do I want to watch? I just want to watch a bunch of movies. There's so many movies that I want to watch. guys, so it's another day of October. I have some work to do today, so like some college work to do, so I'm gonna do that. I'll do a time lapse of me doing some of it, and then I need to do, so I'm doing my law and then do my English a bit. Well, I'm reading a bit of my English book, and then at 2:30 I have a driving lesson. Before I have my driving lesson, I'm gonna do my makeup, but I'm not doing it yet because I'm just studying and I need to study first. So I'm gonna study, then I'm gonna do my makeup, then I'm gonna have lunch. Well, I'm gonna have lunch, then I'm gonna do my makeup, then I'm gonna go on my driving lesson. I also made like a little Halloween bucket list to do, which I want to complete this month because yeah, I'm excited for this month. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. That's what I've got to do today. Oh, I also need to make my bed and stuff. But I just woke up not long ago and just had breakfast, so that's why I look like this. And I just need to get straight on with some studying before I have my lesson. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm now gonna do some reading because I have this book to read for English, so I'm gonna time lapse me trying to read this. I still haven't done my makeup yet, so ignore myself. I'm gonna make some food. Oh my god, is it just me that is absolutely freezing? I'm so cold all the time. I'm gonna make some food. I think I'm gonna have what I had the other day, which was a tuna salad. I already have a footage of me eating the tuna salad. I can't think of anything else to eat. Yeah. I think I'm gonna have tuna in a mixed beef salad, sweet corn. I have vegan mayo that someone's like used all of. It was like this for the other day, but I'm not vegan, but I use this mayo, and a non-vegan in this house I think has used that. That isn't me. I'm also gonna have an Actimel yogurt afterwards, but not yet. I'm gonna make like a slice of toast to have with it, because I often feel when I have a salad I need a little bit of substance to it, so I'm just gonna make one slice. I'm meant to be gluten-free, but there's no gluten-free bread. I don't have celiac disease, but I have to be on a like this weird diet, so I'm not really meant to have bread, but if I have it after like my tuna salad, it will be fine. Now I'm gonna go and devour the shit out of this upstairs. Okay, I'm actually gonna get ready now. It's about an hour, it's just under an hour and a half till my driving lesson. So I'm gonna start getting ready. Oh my god, it's so cold. It's so freaking cold. I put this blanket over me because I'm just so cold at the minute. I need like a heater. My radiator doesn't work. Guys, tell me how cute my little makeup bag is. It's adorable. Take my makeup off. Next week I'm going to like do some self-care and actually do my skincare routine again. Oh, I forgot to tell you what I'm rubbing in. Actually, I'm gonna put this cream on. I need more. It's like whipped cream. I use this that's been rubbed off, but it's Maybelline Fit Me concealer. My dark eyes are so bad. I really want to get a eye serum. So I first just put it under my eyes and blend that out. I'll do a bit on my forehead. And then I just go in with like a small brush. And I just use this. And I just add a little bit. I just use this. Add a little on my nose. I'm having to film this on Snapchat because my phone storage just my iPhone storage just got full. That's the word, because it's all downloaded into iCloud. So next, I just put this highlight on, and then I literally just use a bit of this in my eyebrow, and then I use this Sky High mascara, and then occasionally I add a little bit of this if it's not giving what it needs to give. So yeah, I'll do that now, and I'll just give you a quick show because my iCloud storage is down at the minute. So I've just done my mascara, and now I'm literally just like I'm just literally gonna keep my hair, I think, like this, because I don't really need it to be fancy or anything. So I'll probably just, this is like 3 days worth of hair. Like my hair is like falling out of its curls so bad, but it's fine. Maybe that will do. I'll probably keep my hair like this, because I'm just driving. Even though this is gonna annoy me when I'm driving, it is what it is. Oh, it's pulling. Okay, this is my look for today. Definitely better than this morning. Okay, I'll see you after my driving test, which is in an hour's time. I'm just literally gonna sit and watch YouTube and make my storage go to my iCloud. Yeah. Me and Josh are gonna make some cookies.